So here's how you can quickly add reviews to your Framer website. As you know, Framer helps you design and build quick websites. So I have existing websites on my Framer dashboard. So let me click on this. So as you can see, this is an example website that I have built on Framer, and I intend to add reviews after this section. So there's a free app called famewall.io. So this actually helps you collect reviews and embed them on your website natively without any complicated setup. So I have created a free account on Famewall, and let me get inside. So as you can see, I have existing video reviews in Famewall and also have text reviews and much more. And the interesting thing is, even if you have 0 reviews, you can import social proof from platforms like Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on by simply just pasting a link to that post, and it directly imports it as a testimonial. You can even then display these as reviews on Framer website. So there's also a collection page using which you can collect reviews from your customers, as you can see here. And there are plenty of customization options, but let me just get directly to testimonial widget, which is what we're interested in. So as you can see here, you can customize the appearance of the testimonial widget type with different widgets you can see, and you can also categorize them so that it's easy for your viewers to see the specific categories. Okay, so let's just get with the original testimonial widget. Let me save changes. And since I've already published the widget, I have the get embed code. So let me just show you what it looks like when you're publishing it for the first time. So you'll have something like called the publish widget over here. Just click on this and publish it. And then you'll get an embed code over here. But we are going to embed it on Framer using this specific guide, which you can see after you publish the embed code. Let me just show you what happens. Now there's a specific code over here that you can copy. Now let's get back to Framer. And in Framer, get onto the drop-down bar and then get onto component create from code. Let's create a new code file. I'll call it Famewall embed. And now simply copy and paste the code which we copied from the guide over there. So from the guide, I have this embed code copied. That's it. So simply copy and save this and then click on preview. So as you can see, you'll have the preview displayed here. Don't worry about the layout. Let's get back to the pages section. And here, I want it just beside on the bottom here. Let me get to assets. And once you get to project, you'll see the Famewall embed as you've created the custom code. Simply drag and drop it next to it. And you'll see the full testimonial widget go live on this place. Click on publish. And let's get to the live preview. And now the widget went live on the Framer website. Let's scroll down and you'll be able to see the reviews embedding natively. And this also helps with your SEO since all these reviews will get indexed by Google. Let's click on load more, and it's so interactive that it blends in with your website. Let me click on different categories. And yeah, that's just a quick guide on how you can set up reviews on your Framer website. And one thing to note is that when you're pasting the embed code on Framer, you'll have this data src field called Famewall over here. So in this particular embed code, which you paste on Framer, what you have to do is just replace that Famewall with your own wall URL. So that wall URL, you'll be able to find it in your embed code, which you can directly replace it.